Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change your payment method in Dropbox. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to open an account or make an account in Dropbox. And then, once we're in the Dropbox homepage, we're going to click on the button on the right side of your profile account. Then, we have two options to either start with the free trial or start with the plans from Dropbox. So we only need to choose one. And then after choosing one of the four options, we are gonna select here from either Dropbox Plus or Dropbox Professional. And then we're gonna enter our payment details from either billed yearly or billed monthly, and our credentials like the card number, expiry date, security code, country, and postcode. And once you're done, we're simply going to select on purchase. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!